Hey guys, welcome to this week's Leap class. I have a very special treat for you because today my friend Sierra, who is in pre-K at Becker, is going to be singing our Leap welcome song with her little sister Michaela. So you guys stand up and sing along with them.
Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now.
Yay! Thank you, Sierra and Michaela. That was so precious. If anybody else would like to sing the welcome song or the goodbye song, which I realize we haven't been doing, but we will do it today, then you can email me a video and I will try to include it in one of the lessons coming up. Okay, today we are reading Hello, My Name is Ruby, which is one of my favorite books because my youngest daughter is named Ruby. Ruby introduced herself. Hello, my name is Ruby. Hello, said the bird standing in the cool water. Today is a very nice day, said Ruby. She looked up at the sky. Would you like to come flying? Asked the bird. I'm glad to meet you, said Ruby, gliding happily along. Ruby had never flown with a friend before. Hello, my name is Ruby. Would you like to come flying? What is flying? Asked the bird. Flying is how to get places. So this must be a kind of bird that does not fly. Do you guys know of any other birds that don't fly? This is how I get places, said the bird. There are so many things to see, said Ruby. Hello, little bird. My name is Ruby. Hello, Ruby, said the bird. Little bird, are you ever afraid because you are so small? Yes, said the bird, but sometimes I do not feel small. Would you like to see? This little red bird doesn't feel small, and she's with her whole family. And what shape are they making? And there's Ruby. Ruby introduced herself. This is another bird that does not fly. Hello, she said. My name is Ruby. Would you like to be my friend? No, thank you. Aw. How do you think that made Ruby feel? She looks very sad and lonely to me. Ruby sang a sad song. She sang and sang until the sun came out and her feathers were dry. Along came a curious bird. Ruby tried to be brave. Hello, my name is Ruby. Do you have a name? What is a name? Asked the bird. A name is a sound that is all yours, she said, like this. Ruby, Ruby, ooby, ooby. Skeep walk, replied the bird. Skeep walk, walk, walk. I'm glad to meet you, Skeep walk, said Ruby. I'm glad to meet you too, said Skeep walk. I have heard your name before. Really? Said Ruby. Really, said Skeepwalk, and then he showed her. Look at this tree. Ruby introduced herself. Hello, my name is Ruby. Ruby, ooby, ooby, sang the birds. We are glad to meet you. Ruby floated happily above the treetop. I am glad to meet you too, she said. I wonder, would you like to meet my friends? So everybody has a name, and in this story, the birds' names were the sounds that they make. So if you go outside and you listen really hard, you'll notice that different birds make different sounds. Wouldn't it be funny if that's what their names were? Okay, let's do a little poem called 5 Eggs and 5 Eggs. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, and that makes 10. Sitting on top is Mother Hen. Crackle, 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 what do you see? A fluffy little chick looking at me. And if you guys have a little bird or a little pom-pom or a little feather, you can put it in your hands while you sing that song and actually have the little chick crack out of the egg. Okay, one more. You guys all got some of these and some popsicle sticks. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video, cut out your little trees, and tape them or glue them to your popsicle stick, and then we will do this together. All right, here we go. Pink bird, sitting in a tree. Name all the pink things that you see. Did you guys see anything pink? Can you tell me? Look around. All right. Yellow bird, sitting in a tree. Name all the yellow things that you see. All right, name one thing that's yellow. Good job. Green bird, sitting in a tree. Name one green thing that you see. Red bird, sitting in a tree. Name at least one red thing that you see. Can you guys find anything red? Okay. Blue bird, sitting in a tree. Name one blue thing that you see. Nice. Orange bird, sitting in a tree. Name one orange thing that you see. Good job, my friends. Okay, today we are going to make a little bird that's going to sit on your arm. So you have a cardboard tube with holes at the bottom. Where the holes are, that's the bottom of your bird. Okay? So on one side of the tube, we are going to put some glue. And a parent could do this, or a helper could do this, or I bet you guys could even do this. And you're going to take your feathers, and you may have too many feathers, but I bet you guys have some more cardboard tubes if you want to make a couple. It looks like about 3 feathers will fit. And you're going to glue your feathers to one side. See how the other side is blank? And this side has the feathers. Okay. On the other side, up at the top, and where these holes are at the bottom, we're going to stick our googly eyes and our beak. So when you stick your beak on, you want to try to have, if it's a triangle, you want to try to have a straight line at the top by the eyes and a little point at the bottom.
Okay. Now that you have his face, if you want to add some more feathers, now that you kind of see where his face is going to go, you can. It's totally up to you how many feathers you want to put on. So maybe I'll add, that's probably good. Okay. Now we're going to take our pipe cleaner and you're going to go through a hole on one side, across the bottom, and through the hole on the other side. Okay. And a parent can help you if you need help with this. And you're going to grab it here and pull it up like this. And if you want to bend these over, you can. At some point, you can probably cut these off. Now, if you look at him, there's a little spot at the bottom that you can put him on, whoops, your wrist. Let's see. My wrist is a little bit bigger. My hand is a little bit bigger. So I'm going to put it in, tighten it up. And now I have a bird sitting on my wrist. Yep, there he is. All right.
Okay, my friends, I loved reading to you today and doing some poems and working on some art projects. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and we are going to sing the goodbye song now because I keep forgetting. So here we go. Touch the stars all the way up on your tippy toes. Touch your toes. Turn around and touch your nose. Wave down low and wave up high. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day and a very happy Passover if you're celebrating Passover, and a very happy Easter if you're celebrating Easter.